This is the Kalimash Tunnel, the longest road tunnel in Albania, stretching for more than 5 kilometers through the Kukës mountains. Opened in 2009, it forms part of the nation's road, a highway built to connect central Albania with Kosovo, making travel between the two countries much faster and easier. Inside, the tunnel glows with its familiar orange lights, and the sound of engines echoes in a steady rhythm, creating a strangely calming ride. Albanian traffic has its own personality. Drivers are sometimes unpredictable, some keep a steady pace, others test the limits, and motorcyclists often ride side by side even in narrow places like this. Patience is not always the strongest rule on these roads, but there is an unspoken understanding that keeps everyone moving forward together. Long tunnels like this can feel endless, especially at higher speeds. At times it almost feels like you're floating through an orange-lit corridor carved deep into the mountains. This road is more than just a shortcut. For many Albanians and Kosovars, it's a vital link for trade, travel, and family connections. As the light at the far end grows brighter, the atmosphere shifts. After minutes underground, you feel a sudden relief knowing the open air is close. Emerging from the tunnel, the landscape changes instantly. Green valleys, rocky hillsides, and the wide open sky of northern Albania. The nation's road continues north, carrying travelers deeper into the mountains and toward the border. For riders, it is one of the most scenic journeys in the Balkans. Every ride here is a reminder that the road is not only about the destination, it is about the journey itself.